Hey guys, Scott from scottsweb.dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to point your domain to your hosting. A lot of times you'll buy a domain separately from your hosting, and when you do that, you need to connect your domain to your website so that when you type in your domain name, your website pops up. This is something that's not really talked about a lot in getting set up. A lot of places do now, like package hosting and domain name together. But it's still popular to buy your domain name separately from your hosting. I bought my domain name from Namecheap, and I bought my hosting from Hostinger. And so to get my domain to pull up my website, I need to point my domain name to Hostinger's servers. And how we do that is through NameServers. You'll see here on Namecheap that I have custom name servers, ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. So I went into Namecheap and set these values. Now, to find these values, you'll go to your hosting, and in Hostinger, it will have it in plan details under hosting. It will be different if you're using another control panel, but somewhere you'll be able to find your name servers. And right here, it tells me that I have this as name server 1 and this as name server 2. So how I point my domain to my website is I take these name servers from the hosting, I go to my domain registrar, update the name servers to use custom name servers, and put those name servers as the custom name servers. Before I changed this, it used Namecheap's default name servers, and we just pointed it to our custom name servers from our hosting. You click save, it'll take a few minutes to update, sometimes a few hours. Always try like an incognito window so that your results aren't cached. But that's all there is to it. Once you point your name servers to your hosting, your DNS records then live on your hosting. Like I can go over here and go to DNS zone editor. And since my name servers are pointed to my hosting, all of my DNS records live inside of the hosting now. So again, just to recap, find your name servers on your hosting, go to your registrar where you bought your domain, find the place where you can update the name servers to custom name servers, and put these values in this form and save it. And that's all there is to it. There are some tools that you can look up, like a name server lookup. So you can Google NS lookup live or something like that, and it'll show you where your domain resolves to all over the world. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing to my channel. Lots more how-to videos coming up. Thanks for watching.